Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys my chicken wings recipe. To start off, I'm grabbing 1/3 cup of red chili powder. I'm also adding my signature spice. An alternative would be any sauce that you like, and I'm also adding 1/3 cup of honey garlic and half a cup of soy sauce. Don't forget to squeeze half a lime. Also 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning. I'm throwing it in the oven for around 20 minutes at 350. And there you have it. It could be spicier or non-spicy. It really just depends on what your tolerance to spice is, but it should fall off the bone like this at the end.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it thumbs up, like and share. Bye.